Want to see all the super fun goodies I got in my July Boxycharm box? Keep watching!
What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to review with you the July Boxycharm box. I am so excited about this. I didn't even know it was delivered. I was actually done for the day. I was ready to relax with my son. And then I was looking through my email and it said that it was delivered. So I went on my front porch, grabbed it. I took a peek and I saw that there were some products that I absolutely want to try. So I thought, okay, let's do the unboxing. And then as I'm doing the unboxing, I can kind of pop in and let you know what my thoughts were about the products because I'm going to actually go ahead and try some of them. So that was why I just threw myself together. I literally just like popped my hair back in. And you know what's funny is this shirt is the exact shirt that I had on when I did that first Boxycharm video. And if you didn't check that out, make sure you check out that first one because I went over how the whole process works and everything. If you're interested in trying this for the first time, definitely check out that first video so that you can see how everything works and you can see if this will be a service that would be good for you. I'm not going to do that in this video because I've already done it in the other one. So we are just going to jump right into all the goodies they sent me in this box. Let's do it. Okay guys, just so I can give you an idea of what some of the benefits are of these products, I'm going to go ahead and use my little cheat sheet card. I didn't have this for the first video and it really irritates me that I lost it. But nonetheless, this will tell me how much the products cost and it'll also tell me what the benefits are of the products. And I think that might be helpful for you if you are considering either trying the service or perhaps you're interested in this product. So the first thing that I grabbed out of my box is this. And this is a 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defiance Booster.
Okay guys, I have to pop in here. Of course I messed that up. It's a defense booster, not a defiance booster. I don't know what I was thinking. And while I'm in here, I'm going to just let you know that I so did not try this and I actually listed it on my Poshmark. So that takes care of this product. Let's get back into it.
That was a lot. I mean, that was like a lot, you know? Anyways, it says it's a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. That sounds interesting. So this unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Well, that sounds quite fabulous. Oh my gosh. The retail of this little bottle, which you're getting 0.68 fluid ounces. You're not even getting a full ounce. This tiny bottle. Are you guys ready? Because I'm not ready. It's $135. What? I mean, wow. Okay, let's pop this puppy open. I mean, I saw what, they said the benefits are of this, but I mean, whoa. Okay. It's a little bottle, little dinky bottle here. Okay, let's give it a smell. Okay, it doesn't smell bad, but it does kind of smell medicine-y. Wow. This little guy better last me like, a long time for $135. I am still shocked about that. So I guess I'll try this on. And I mean, according to what this thing just told me, I guess it's supposed to, protect me against the physical and blue light pollution. So I guess this will help me not turn blue. I mean, whatever. $135. I am still stuck on that, guys. That just really blows my mind. This is a very tiny bottle. I'm hoping that I don't need very much of this. So I'll read the instructions thoroughly. If this is something I'm supposed to use every single day, I mean, how much use are you going to get out of this tiny little bottle? I don't know. We're off to one crazy start. So let's jump into the next item. Okay, guys, so the next thing that they stuck in my box is this little guy. Got a lot of little guys. So this is a Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow. Well, that sounds super fun. Who doesn't like glitter eyeshadow? That'd be really cool. So it's a weightless, refined glitter eyeshadow infused with light reflecting pearls to create high impact sparkling eyes. Yes! I want high impact sparkling eyes. So the unique hybrid cream formula creates reflective, buildable dimension for everything from a delicate glimmer to an intense prismatic finish in this little thing. So let's open it up. That sounds pretty exciting. I mean, they really built this up. Oh, did I open the wrong side? You never know what sides you're supposed to open. Okay, so yeah, it's little. Woo! Wow. 0.12 ounces. 0.12 ounces. Woo, that is glittery. Okay, so let me set this here. So professional I'm doing these. Let's do a little swatch. Woo! Oh, yes. Oh! Let's see if I can show it to you. Super glittery. I'm not sure if you're seeing that because I'm like darker complected, but I'm just saying that is glittery. I'm hoping that you're getting the glittery vibes from this. So yeah, really nice color. It's not showing up super dark on me, so I don't know if it'll be different on my eyelids or not.
Okay guys, so I did try this out and you can definitely see it when I put it over top of the eyeshadow that I normally wear every day. So it definitely has a really sparkly vibe to it when you put it on your eyes over top of your existing eyeshadow. If you're a darker complected person like me, that's probably the better way to do it. But I do like this stuff and will absolutely wear it. Let's get back into what I was talking about.
Worst case scenario, I will give this to my niece. But, I mean, this isn't bad. How much does this one cost? This one is $29. $29 for this tiny little thing of eyeshadow. Okay, guys, my mind's just blown with some of these prices. I mean, I feel like I'm in the wrong line of business. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I can make these little things and charge $29 for them, I wouldn't be doing YouTube videos. At any rate, yeah, let's move on to the next item. Hey there, Amber here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to pop in and say if you're enjoying this video, I have so many more like it and many more to come. So make sure that you're subscribed, click the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video and you don't miss any of the super fun stuff I have going on here. Let's jump back into this awesome haul. Okay guys, so the next thing that they threw in this box is this. Yay! What is it? It's an Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. I won't be using this, but we'll go ahead and tell you guys the benefits in case you're interested. So the Bronzed in Paradise Bronzer Palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise Collection. So 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products. The value of this is $30. Okay. Whatever. I don't use bronzers. I'm no makeup guru, but here you go. This is what the palette looks like. You get a nice mirror. Woo! That's pretty exciting. So we have a nice mirror there and the palette's nice, whatever. I will never use this. I can promise you that. So this will most likely go to my niece or in a giveaway. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for giveaways yet, guys. I'm working to build a giveaway box soon because I'm trying to reach 5,000 subscribers before my 1-year anniversary in September, and I have a long ways to go, so the chances of me hitting that are probably not that good. But anyways, I want to have a great giveaway ready for when and if that happens, so I could start building it with this, but we'll see. So that's this. So let's move on to the next item. Okay, so as soon as I opened up the box, I smelled this great scent coming out of the box, and I didn't know what it was. Well, it was these. Yay! So fun. These are, I don't know, Sol de Janeiro. Probably butchered it. Not sure. You guys can let me know in the comments below. It's a Brazilian Hawaii. I don't know. I'm pretty sure the J is silent. Don't know. Strengthening and smoothing shampoo and conditioner. I'm really actually excited about this. And this is the product that I wanted to try and let you guys know how it goes. This set includes a creamy lather sulfate-free shampoo and a creamy rich yet weightless conditioner for silky, touchably soft hair. Yes. I mean, yes. So the patented SOL seal technology is clinically proven to smooth and restore healthy hair. The value of these is $24. I mean, these aren't full size. So you're telling me you get $24 for travel size? Not sure. But it's saying the value is $24, and these are clearly like travel size that you would take when you're going on vacation or something. I mean, I would hate to see what the big ones cost. They're probably, I don't know, $200. Anyways, these I'm really excited about because I'm definitely going to be washing my hair tomorrow. As I told you guys, I don't wash my hair every single day, but tomorrow's a wash day. So I really wanted to use this tomorrow when I wash my hair. So I thought that I would go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to pop in at some point as I'm explaining this to you guys to let you know my thoughts of this.
Okay, so now would be a good time to pop in and tell you what I thought of these. They worked okay. I mean, I wasn't extremely impressed, especially for the price ticket that these things are. I mean, if I wanted to buy the full-size ones, they're $75 for the set on Amazon. So this will clearly not be a product that I continue to use because it was okay, but not that impressive. Let's move on.
So let's give it a smell, even though you can really smell this. I mean, as soon as you open the box, you could smell this. This won't open. Okay, there we go. You know, I get a good smell that way, so, you know. Oh, that would be why. Well, we know that I'm going to try this, so just open her up. Let's do it. Oh, yes. Oh, this is heaven. Oh, this is so good. This smells really good. I mean, if it works as good as it smells, I'll be happy. That was the shampoo. Let's go ahead and give the conditioner a quick smell, but that smells like heaven. Oh, oh yes. Yes, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. You guys can tell that I was able to open that a little bit easier on one of my unboxing videos. I was having trouble opening some. Oh, it was the toothpaste. And I know it's because my nails were a little longer. So they're a little shorter this time because I'm going to be working on some major projects and I did not want to have long nails. Nonetheless, you guys could care less about any of that. So this smells amazing. Let's hope that it works good. And I will be one super happy camper. And possibly, depending on how much it costs for a full size of this, I will be buying this in the future. So let's move on to the next item. Okay, guys, so we're like actually in the final item for this unboxing. I mean, that flew. I'm actually kind of depressed. I love unboxing these things. It's so much fun. When it's over, it's kind of depressing. You know what I mean? Nonetheless, this right here is the final item that they sent me in the box. Not as exciting as the other stuff. Probably should have saved the $135 item for last, but you know, here, this is what I picked up last. So this is a, I'm going to pronounce it wrong. I don't know. Whatever. It's a fierce and fine graphic pen. That's what it is. So a deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeliner that is easy and effortless to apply. The design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or a thin line, depending on the amount of pressure used during application. So the value of this bad boy is $21. Now, I would love to be able to be as talented as all of these wonderful makeup artists and just regular people online that do the whole winged thing with their eyeliner. I'm not good at putting on eyeliner. I doubt I will be good at putting on this eyeliner, but you know what? I am going to give it a go.
Okay, guys, I did give this a try, and this works fantastic. So they didn't lie about that at all. The only problem is I just need a little more practice because I'm just not good at putting on eyeliner. But I do think with some practice, I will be able to use this all the time. So there you go. Let's get back into it.
It would probably be a great video for you guys just to watch me try to use this thing and try to do the winged situation. But I'm not going to do that in this video anyway. Maybe I'll do it in a future video because I'm sure it would be hysterical for most people. So this is the last item that they put in my box. Now let's do a final thoughts and we'll close out the video. Okay, guys, that was a super fun box, right? I am not disappointed at all. I'm really excited to try out that shampoo and conditioner. I really hope that works well for me because my hair needs a lot of restoration. And with the price tag of the things that were in this box, that shampoo and conditioner should work wonders. Pretty soon, I probably won't need the hair pieces at all if it works as well as it says it does, right? At any rate, I am very happy with all of the products that I got in the box. Even though I'm not going to utilize some of them, I do know people who can use it, or I will put them in a future giveaway. We'll see what happens. So the total value of all of the products that I got in the box is $239. Mind-blowing. I mean, that to me is just mind-blowing. So I paid $25 a month for my subscription. So when you subtract that from the $239, I had a $214 savings for the items in this box. That to me is so amazing and so well worth it. And that's why I love these subscription services, because they're allowing me to try products I would never, and I do mean never, try on my own. So that's pretty exciting. I am so happy that I decided to try this. I do have some other subscription services that I'm going to give a go. The Ipsy and the Allure Beauty were brought to my attention, so I'm going to go ahead and give both of those a try as well. Now, will I continue to do all of these each month? Probably not, but I'm going to go ahead and give them a try and see which one I like the best, and that will be the one that I continue to do. That's the best way I know to do it, you know? Just give it a try. See how it goes. So I hope that you found this video helpful or useful in some way. And if you didn't, I hope you at least found it entertaining in some way. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all of those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to review with you I can never, not once have I got it right the first time I shoot, ever. So in today's video, I'm going to go over with you the July Boxycharm box. So I already went over how the Boxycharm service works for you and everything in another video. So that didn't work. I just kind of jumped into it without even any explanation at all. Okay, think. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to review with you the July Boxycharm box. I'm dancing again. I did this with the FabFitFun video. It looked terrible then and it looks terrible now. Try it again. Okay, guys. So the next thing that they stuck on my box is, I'm doing it wrong, so we do it again. Oh! I can't. All right, try it again. Oh my gosh. So the final thing that I'm going to go over with you that they sent me in this box is this. This. Let's try to have it right, and then we'll do it. Okay. Okay, guys. So that was a super fun box, right? I mean, I am really excited to try those. Wow. Glad you guys got all that. It's awesome. Because my hair needs some restoration so terribly bad. So I'm really excited about that. But overall, the box... Okay. I'm derailing. Hold on. So I pay $25 a month for my membership. So $25 per month per box. So you minus the $25 and I saved $214. Let's do it again. Okay, guys, that was a super fun box, right? I was so excited when I saw that I got this box and it was, yeah, that. Okay.